Welcome to Let's Build a Willys Jeep. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly assemble your driver's side tie rod and your passenger side tie rod, and how to thread in your steering tie rod ends on your tire side into your tie rod, and also how to thread in your center part into your tie rod on both your passenger and driver's side, and which length you need to install on which side. There's the longer one and the shorter one. The longer one is 18.5 inches about, which goes in the passenger side, and the shorter one, which goes in the driver's side, which is about 17.25 inches. The first tie rod we have here is the passenger tie rod. So it has a right-hand thread tie rod end on this side, the longer tube, 2 clamps to hold the threads, and a different tie rod on this side, as this tie rod will attach the passenger to the driver, and the driver here has a right-hand thread on this side. The shorter tie rod, 2 clamps to hold the threads on, and a left-hand tie rod on this side. So we're going to work on the passenger tie rods. You have to use this one right here, which is a bit different than the rest, and it's for the passenger side as it connects to the bell crank. I will use a little bit of lubricant as it'll thread on it easier. Give a quick spray and thread it on. Install your clamp, so you slide them both on. And now use a little bit of lubricant to the threads. You want to have it so it's threaded on most of the way on both sides, and have it kind of pointing the same direction. So when you install them, it'll go in easier. On the driver tie rod, we're going to screw it on. First, we're going to put the clamps on before we put the last tie rod end on. And we'll probably have to adjust this one once it is installed on the Jeep.